Welcome to Monterey, California, and you guys know what that means. That's right, the flooded ZL1 made it to Car Week. It is so crazy to be driving this thing on the streets of Monterey amongst hypercars and supercars all over the place. And I told you last video that we had to get it safety inspected, and guess what, guys? It passed with flying colors. I don't know how, because when I started it to take it to the inspection place, there was a service airbag light, service stability track, all these warnings, but I did go ahead and clear them, and then the guy passed it when I took it to the inspection, so hey, we'll take it. But I don't know about you guys, I'm so excited to see what we see here in Monterey. Let's head over to 17 Mile Drive and check out the Spanish Bay Inn. We decided to take a little stop here at the Spanish Bay Inn and see what sort of cool cars are parked out front and in the valet parking area. Here's a beautiful LC500 in this awesome color. These cars are so awesome. Naturally aspirated V8, some sort of automatic transmission. I think they have about 450 horsepower. Great for grand touring. Super comfortable interior. Look at all that leather in there. Color looks so awesome too. I saw another Bentley over here. Could be a Mulsanne, looks pretty new. They don't change the styling on these much, but the way you can tell is the headlights and the taillights. This one's finished in an awesome, like purplish brown two-tone. One last look at the Bentley Mulsanne. Now let's check out this Aston Martin over here. Let's try to figure out what it is. Oh, it's a Vanquish. Oh, the Bentley just started up. Bye-bye, blue Bentley. Look at those carbon ceramic brakes. They're so shiny. Carbon fiber side skirts. Carbon fiber mirror covers. The beautiful Aston Martin Vanquish. The 720S Spider just rolled up. This one's pretty heavily modified. It looks like it's got a titanium exhaust, a body kit, white wheels, like a Senna front end. It doesn't look anything like a 720 anymore. Still a beautiful car though, and probably stupidly fast. We're all done at the Spanish Bay Inn, heading out now. Oh, there's a Ferrari, look at that. That's totally random, but cool. Well, apart from that Ferrari, most of the things we saw were a little bit underwhelming, just a few Bentleys and Aston Martins and one McLaren that you guys saw. But we're gonna continue here on 17 Mile Drive over to Carmel and check out the downtown there, and hopefully we see some more cool things there parked on the street and driving through. We just left the 17 Mile Drive area, back on public roads again. What a cool little bridge here. Let's make a little noise with the ZL1. There we go. Oh, I think I see an AMG GT or something. And a C8 Stingray in the rearview mirror. Oh look, it's a base Camaro convertible. Ooh, there's an old Ferrari over there. An old orange Ferrari. I have no idea what it is, but it does have the prancing horse on the front. Check that out. Oh, here's a 458 or a 488. I can't tell yet. Oh, looks like a 488. That's awesome to see in white. That's a sick E63 wagon. You don't see those every day. Not the craziest car we've seen, but it's still cool. There's a C8, either a Z06 or an E-Ray, one of the two. Such an awesome C2 Corvette, right next to a black one. This must be the Corvette row here at Monterey Car Week. Such a pretty Cobra. I have no idea what this one is, but it looks really cool. It was about now that my heart started racing a little bit, because out of the corner of my eye, I saw the front end of a car that is almost unmistakable, a Bugatti, and right in front of it, a Koenigsegg Jesko. This was the first time I had ever gotten this close to a car worth more than 5 times the value of the home that I live in, and there were 2 of them. These cars combined are probably worth somewhere between $8 and $10 million, and together have about 3,000 horsepower. And here they are just sitting on the side of the road, right outside the vintage car show. Needless to say, it was incredible to see these works of art up close, and get the chance to film them too. Welcome back to day 2, guys. Saw some awesome cars yesterday. Now we're gonna go over to Laguna Seca. It's the first time I've ever been there, and we're gonna see some old vintage race cars actually racing on track. It's tunnel time! Cobra is so awesome, yeah! Look at that! It's probably a replica, but it's beautiful. That green is awesome. Is this a CLK GTR? What? That is so cool. And a really cool thing about today is we're gonna get to see old F1 cars actually go on the track. And this looks like the lineup. Oh, and the 2024 F1 car. That's awesome to see. I've never seen one in real life before. C5R, that's awesome. Guys, I think I see a 959. Found the F50. about wraps up Monterey Car Week 2025 for me. I'm on the way home. Maybe next year I can stay for the whole week, but this year we just stayed for a few days. Guys, we saw lots of cool cars. It was so awesome, all the events we went to. But by far the coolest thing was getting to drive this car around the streets of Monterey. I'm so happy that we got it roadworthy in time for Car Week. And really the only issue I've seen in the past 1,000 miles has been this screen is only working intermittently. So that might be a little electrical issue we'll have to diagnose down the line. But other than that, it's driving great, suspension's tight, steering's great, and the engine is powerful. So with that, guys, I'll leave you to it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.